Okay, today let's look at a gaming trio, the 5090 from MSI. And this is quite a large GPU. Even for today's standards, this is a big card. But it matches the price tag, right? Everybody knows what these things are costing these days. So this has a 4-pin PCI Express adapter cable to the 12-volt high power connector. And it comes with a GPU bracket, sort of the stand, the anti-sag bracket. But getting right to the card, I mean, this thing is massive. You've got to make sure you've got space for this card. It's a good 4-slot. It's interesting because the bracket they use is on like a 2-bracket card, but the cooler is very thick. And this thing is packaged really well. The design from MSI is quite impressive on this card. If you notice on the back, and I'll probably be the last time I say something like this, there's a little hologram of their logo. This sort of, you know, it changes colors. It's really nice. I just love the look of it, and it seems to be quality material. The cooler is a plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. It really doesn't. You're holding a substantial piece in your hand there. It does have a selector for the BIOS, and this thing has been wrapped very well. There's plastic everywhere around this card, and that took me the longest time just to get all the plastic pieces off. Otherwise, this thing had been unboxed in 2 seconds. But they do a really nice job of keeping it, keeping the finish really nice. There's a sheen to it. It looks really professional, a really solid card once you get this thing unpacked. If you get a chance to find one of these that's reasonably priced, you'd be hard-pressed to find a card that doesn't check all of the boxes. But you need to be prepared to pay for this. It's a very nice card. Performance numbers are listed on my channel, and you can find more information there. But if you pick this up and you can swing for the fences, I don't think you're going to be disappointed. And with that, stay safe. God bless.